Below these are the instructions for the final paper of the summer term, the literature review. So let me share my computer. And we're already in the literature review page, and this is due on August the 1st. So each student will conduct a literature review in an area of research that is of interest. And I highly recommend that students take their annotated bibliography and use that to guide and write the literature review. The lit review is typically the second chapter of a master's thesis or doctoral dissertation. In refereed research articles or conference papers, the literature review is usually found in the first section after the introduction, and in some cases appears as the theoretical or conceptual framework. And here are the general guidelines as you write the paper. As with all the assignments, follow APA edition 7 formatting, Times New Roman 12-point font, double space with 1-inch margins all around. Clarity is expected, and again, make sure that spelling and grammar are correctly used. Final assignment will be uploaded in Canvas in the lit review, on the lit review page. The paper, your lit review paper, must include a cover page, and this is similar to the requirements for the cover page for the annotated bibliography, an abstract of not more than 200 words for the lit review, and then the literature review. And that will be a report of what the literature says about the phenomenon, concept, or variables that you intend to investigate in some logical order. The goal of the lit review is, one, to reveal what has been reported on the topic and to carve out a need for your work on the topic. After the lit review, that's where you will add the reference list. And if you are using the annotated bibliography, which again, I highly recommend, that the reference list from the annotated bibliography with the feedback that I gave for that assignment should be ready to go for the lit review. And this will be submitted in Canvas, submitted as a Word file, and I will not accept a PDF or this being submitted through another online file share program other than Canvas. So I do have examples of chapter 2, and that is in the research summary, where you can go back and look at the dissertations. Also, you can look at the published articles and look at their lit review sections. And you can click on here to go back and look at those publications. I've also included the rubric, so download, and this will also help you to guide, provide you with what I'm looking for when I go through and assess your lit review. And here's where it will be submitted. So those are the instructions for the final paper, the literature review. Again, this is due August 1st. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. Take care.